Hi friends, I'm Mashad, and today we're going to take a little tour of the beautiful Naqsh-e Jahan Square. Relax and enjoy as we explore its stunning architecture, colorful tiles, and lively atmosphere. From the majestic Imam Mosque to the elegant Sheikh Lutfullah Mosque, the grand Ali Kapu Palace, and the bustling Caesarea Bazaar, every corner tells a story of history and art. Let's walk through the square, admire its beauty, and imagine the celebrations and events that happened here hundreds of years ago. If you enjoy this tour, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you won't miss any of our adventures.
Naqsh-e Jahan Square, also known today as Imam Square, is one of the largest and most important historic squares in the world. It is located in the heart of Isfahan, Iran, and represents the peak of Persian architecture, urban design, and culture during the Safavid dynasty. The construction of Naqsh-e Jahan Square began during the reign of Shah Abbas I around 1598 AD, 1007 AH, when Isfahan was chosen as the capital of the Safavid Empire. The square and its surrounding monuments were completed gradually over several decades, with major works finished by approximately 1629 AD. Measuring about 560 meters in length and 160 meters in width, the square was designed not only as a public space, but as the political, religious, economic, and social center of the city. Four magnificent monuments stand on the four sides of the square, each symbolizing a key element of Safavid power. Imam Mosque on the south side, representing religious authority. Construction began in 1611 AD. Sheikh Lutfullah Mosque on the east side, a private royal mosque built between 1603 and 1619 AD. Ali Kapu Palace on the west side, the Royal Palace and Ceremonial Gate. Caesarea Gate on the north side, the entrance to the Grand Bazaar of Isfahan and a symbol of economic prosperity. During the Safavid era, Naqsh-e Jahan Square was used for royal ceremonies, public festivals, military parades, and polo, chogan, matches. The original polo goal stones still remain at the northern and southern ends of the square. In 1979, Naqsh-e Jahan Square was inscribed on the UNESCO World Heritage List as a masterpiece of human creative genius. Today, it remains one of Iran's most iconic landmarks, attracting visitors from around the world with its historic architecture, traditional handicraft shops, and vibrant atmosphere.